Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
A box sits at rest on a rough 33-degree inclined plane. Draw the free body diagram showing all the forces acting on the box. How would the diagram change if the box were sliding down the plane? How would it change if the box were sliding up the plane after an inertial shock? Correct answer is the free body diagram. When the box is at rest on the incline would show the weight of the box acting downwards, the normal force perpendicular to the surface and the friction force opposing motion parallel to the incline. If the box were sliding down the incline, the free body diagram would include the weight action downwards, a reduced normal force, and a friction force acting up the incline to oppose the motion. C. When the box is sliding up the incline after an inertial shock, the free body diagram would include the weight acting downwards, a larger normal force, and a friction force acting down the incline to oppose the motion.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.